All right, guys, here is an update. And again, this is why I added those videos regarding the splits, which again just removes blanks. And I was working on a project, and it had to do with some code. And the code comes with a lot of forward slashes, backslashes, things like that. Things that when you're sending a JSON file up, it just won't accept. So I decided to add that stuff that I had already created, which again is content edit for API posts, which is basically reusable here. And I'll show you what that looks like, followed by splits, which will get rid of any lines. And what happens is if there is nothing that belongs or that has those characters, it'll just ignore it. And again, instead of having to copy and paste and retype all these things over and over, it's just easier to put it in a shortcut that's already ready to use and then just reuse it as necessary. And this is what that one looks like. Let me just show you guys. Content edit for API posts. Basically, it just looks for any quotation marks, and it also looks for any forward slashes and adds a backward slash. That this is necessary in order for it to process correctly. Otherwise, you're going to get errors and you're not going to get what you're looking for. So again, in this scenario, it was basically I was trying to edit some code and it was erroring out and trying to submit it via the ChatGPT API / ChatGPT shortcut that I already have here set up. So again, that's why the splits and all these other little shortcuts are necessary. And again, guys, it's a lot, but you'll run into things as you mess around with this stuff.